Hey, it's just for fun. So do you. No?
I have one, but it's a
Hear it. I bet it won't. Haha.
Before I worked here, the railway I was at was very small, so most of the talk was about the much bigger one not far from me. I didn't know much of the engines there, but the one I heard most about was a blacksmith engine. People called it the masked engine because he wore a hand made. He was the masked engine, but the other engines didn't like them. They were jealous. They would often call them. They wouldn't let it until one day the other engine. Until about a month later, some trucks were in a siding and they heard the engines of their drivers in the sheds. It was pretty foggy that night, so they couldn't see the shed door. But quickly stopped by. It wasn't a blacksmith engine with eyes with the man attached to his buffer. All the trucks would do was watch the masked engine charge into the sheds and fall to the scene the next day. But over time, no one knows or wants to know where the masked engine is now. Yes, and you could be anywhere.